Welcome to STA-B Exam Forum. I welcome all the students who are watching us online. Okay, so we have come up with a new video on sample questions. We have covered quantitative aptitude, general English, and now in this video we are going to see reasoning ability. Okay, student, this video is specially designed for Admin and Allied Cadre. Okay, so in the next week you have your Admin and Allied exam for various posts including admin assistant, security assistant, fireman, steno and GTO. Okay, so let's begin this video. So student, just do like exam, take a pen and notebook. Okay, there will be 10 questions on reasoning ability and each question carry 1 marks. And all these questions will be multiple choice and there will be no negative marking, just like your Admin and Allied exam. Okay, and for each question 20 seconds will be given to you, and if you want more time you can pause the video and just solve that question. Okay, and finally you can tell your marks by writing in the comment box. Okay, student, let's begin this video, and the first question is on your screen and your timer starts now. This is 10 seconds only. Okay, you can answer in the chat box. Okay, time's up. Student, this type of question comes from a category called analogy. Okay, what does this mean? This means there are some elements in the question, you need to find the relationship between those items. Okay, so like here, toothpaste is used to clean the teeth. In the similar sense, broom is used to what? Okay, so broom is also used to clean what? Floor. Out of these 4 options, floor seems to be the best answer and floor is the correct answer. Okay, so those student who have given their answer as option number 4, they are correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. This is from coding. Let's begin the timer. This is a very difficult one. Let's see who can answer this question. Okay, time's up. Student, this type of question are called coding decoding type of question. Okay, coding and decoding. Coding and decoding. This category is also important from the reasoning point of view, and there are certain techniques with which you can answer these questions very easily. Okay, so whenever you find some relationship between a word to a number, there must be some positional dependency. For positional dependency, what does I mean? Means based on the English characters in English alphabet you find the position. For example, position of A is 1, position of Z is 26, okay, and position of O is 15. Okay, sorry, it's 15, this is 1. Okay, so there is a trick to remember all these positions. You must have used this trick earlier also. IJOT. Okay, E position is 5, J position is 10, O position is 15, T position is 20 and Y position is 25. With reference to these position you can decode these characters and alphabet. Okay, so let's decode this. So the first coded word is lower. Let's draw dependency between this and positional dependency. So L is what? So you know J is 10, so J K L. So if you add 2 you will have positional accuracy of L. What is that? 12. And O, as you can see directly with IJOT principle, 15. Similarly with W, where does W come? After T, T U V W. So you need to add 3 characters after 20. So 20 plus 3 is 23. And E is 5. R is what? O P Q R. So 15 plus 3, that is 18. Okay, So let me change the color. So if you add these positional numbers, what you get? You get 73 as your answer. Okay, if you add this, you get 73. But they have coded as 730. So it should be multiplied by 10 to get the number. Okay, 730. Similarly, if you check the Mulish, it will come as 830. Okay, now let's see the jot. Okay, how jot should be written in this positional dependency. Okay, so J, here it is direct. J stand for 10, so just make it 10. O stand for 15, and T stands for what? 20. So 20, 30, 40, 45. So answer should be 45 into 10, that is 450. Okay, so those students who have given their option as 450, they are correct. Okay, let's see the next question, and your time starts now. You can answer in the chat box. Okay, 10 seconds is up. Student, time flies like anything in exam, so you need to speed up your answering. Okay, so student, this question is from the series. Okay, and this type of series are called repeated series. Okay, repeated series. Okay, some alphabets are repeated in this series, and a very simple trick for this question is to see the group of alphabet. Okay, the maximum group of alphabet. Okay, here you can see GPC has maximum number of alphabets, so let's fill this blanks. Okay, so GPC, so P should come here. Okay, so all these option have P, so all are correct for time being. Okay, after that GPC, C should come. Okay, so the third fill should have C. So as you can see, only option 4 has C, so option 4 should be the right answer, and this is the right answer. Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer, student. A very simple one and a very tricky one. Yes, let's move to the next question, and your time starts now. Yes, time's up, student. Student, this is also from coding, but this time it is operational coding. Okay, let's see this question. So Pawan, so let's write Pawan as can be written as SCZCQ. Okay, so how this is be coding? Let's see. PQRS, so we are adding 2 characters. ABC, we are adding 1 character. WXYZ plus 2. Don't go further. So we have got this series plus 2 plus 1 plus 2. Let's see the Soham also to confirm this pattern. VQK. Okay, so first is plus 2. Let's see. STUV. Okay, right. OPQ, only 1 is required, so plus 1. O, P and Q should there. Yes, it is correct. Next H we should have 2 placement, H, I, J and K. Okay, so our sequence pattern is correct. Plus 2 plus 1 and plus 2. Okay, let's make with Kiran also for the question. Kiran, so first we need to add 2 characters. K, L, M, N. So first should be N. So as you can see, you can straight away eliminate option 1 and option 3. After that, we need to add 1 characters I, J and K. So we are left with option 2. Okay, because it is here L. So this is incorrect. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, so those students who have given their answer as option 2, they are correct. Okay, very well, student. Next, see the next question. and its timer got started. Yes. Student, again this question is from analogy. There are different type of analogy. Here the analogy is help and hinder, means antonym analogy is there. Okay, antonyms mean opposite. So the opposite of hinder is help. Okay, the opposite of help is hinder. Similarly, there are some certain words, at least you should know the meaning to get this answer. Okay, so from all these three answer, we know indigent is poor, and poor, the opposite of poor is rich. Okay, so option 3 seems to be the correct answer. If you see option 4, insipid and plain both are synonyms. Impulsive and hasty, they are just synonyms. Okay, and lenient is very simple, and forgiving is there is no relation at all. Okay, so option 3 seems to be the correct answer, and those who have given their option as 3, they are correct. So option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, student, you can practice a lot on these question. Okay, let's see the next question. So timer got started. Okay, time's up. Student, this is from the analogy, and this is number analogy. Okay, number analogy. Okay, so there is certain relationship between these number. We have to pick odd one out. Okay, so student, I will tell you the trick for this question particularly, but let's see this question in detail. So whenever you find certain relationship, you should go with the difference or multiplication. So let's try to do the multiplication. Okay, so as you know, 17 into 4, if we check, 17 into 4 is what? Yes, 68. And if we subtract 68 minus 8, we get 60. Okay, so let's go with the last option, because we have to go with the random thing, right? So 19 into 4 is what? 19 into 4 is what? 76. And 76 minus 8 is what? 68. Okay, so we got this series. So these are two alikes. We need to go further. So 13 into 4 is what? 13 into 4 is what? Yes, 52. And 52 minus 8 is what? 44. Yes, 44. But here they have given 90. So this is the correct answer for this question. Okay, option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, understood, student? You need to find the relation. That relation finding is only possible if you practice a lot. Okay, and the trick for this question is to see the trend between these number. So 17 is 60, 19 is 68. So you can see they are 17, 18, 19, and 60 and 68 are somewhat closer. But if you go with 13 and it is becoming a huge number, 90, so this is the odd man out. Okay, so option 2 is the correct answer for this question. So this is a guess trick. This is only applicable if there is a direct relation. Okay, let's see the next question, and your time starts now. Student, this is a very difficult one. Okay, if a question take a lot of time, you can ignore. Okay, so this question is from series, number series. Okay, so whenever you find such a series in which number begin with small number to big number to a very big number, it means some multiplication factor is there. Okay, but this question is not straightforward, student. Okay, I know in competitive exam this question can come, and if you are not able to find this answer, you can skip this question, because it has two operations. Let's see how we get. So let me clear the screen first. Okay, as you can see, the difference between 13 and 11 is what? 2, and 13 and 16, the difference is 6. Similarly, with the next we get 30, with the next we get how much? 60, and after that we get what? 130, right? Okay, so this is first level. The second difference, what in this particular question, how did we get this number? We obtained from this series 1 cube plus 1, okay, 2 cube plus 2 cube minus 2. 2 cube is what? 8. 8 minus 2 is 6. Now 3 cube plus 3. So how much we get? 30. Yes. Next one is 4 cube minus 4. So alternatively plus minus, and we have cube in it. Okay, so 64 minus 4 is 60, and after that what should we have? 5 cube minus plus 5. Okay, it is 125 plus 5. So student, what can you observe in these type of question? These are somewhat related to cube. Okay, so 125, 64, it is related to 27. So they are all closely to the cube. Okay, so with this you can go for this type of second part. Okay, so let's move forward. Next should be 6 cube minus 6. What is 6 cube? 6 cube is 216, minus 6 we get 210. Okay, so if we add 210 with what? 239. So 239 plus 210, what we get? 449. So option 1 is the correct answer. Student, I know this is very top level question. Okay, this is very top level question, because here you are applying two operation. Okay, so in exam, if you are not able to find within 30 seconds, you can ignore that question. Okay, you can spend time in another question. Okay, let's see the next question. This is a very simple one from the syllogism, and your time got started. Okay, give me the answer. Yes, time's up. Student, this type of question are called syllogism. Okay, syllogism. So we have to make Venn diagram for this question. Let's see the statement. All teachers are doctors. So this is teacher, and all teachers are doctors. Okay, so some professors are doctors, so we know how to make this Venn diagram. Some professors are doctor. Okay, then all professors are engineer. All professors are engineers. Okay, let's see the conclusion. All professors are doctor. All professors are doctor. No, this is a definite statement, so this cannot be the conclusion. Some doctors are engineer. Some doctors are engineers. Yes, these are some doctors who are engineers, so option 2 is correct. Some teachers are engineer. Some teachers are engineer. They are saying the definite one. Again, definite, it is not there. Some teachers are professor. Some teacher are professor. No, it is not a definite statement. So option 2 only follows. Okay, so conclusion 2 only follows. So we have answer option 4. Okay. So those students who have given their answer is option 4, they are right. Okay. Let's move to the next question. It is again from the relation based. Let's see the timer. Okay, time's up. Student, in this set you need to find the relation. So at first glance you have a relation like 5 plus 4 is 9. Let's see whether it is in their option. 30 plus 6, 36. No. 70, it is not there in all the option. Okay, so this logic doesn't seem to be valid. Let's apply the next logic. What we can apply? Okay, let's apply 4 square and 5 square. Okay, what is 4 square? 4 square is 16 and 5 square is 25. We can make it 9 if the difference of 25 and 16, what it is? 9. Okay, so the difference is in center, so square and the difference is in center. Okay, let's see the question. 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36. 36 minus 9, no, this is not the correct answer. So 7 7 is 49 minus 9. Yes, this is the correct answer. Let's see the other question, the other option. 4 minus 16, no, it's not 20, it's addition, so this is again wrong. Let's see the next option. 25 minus 1, 26, no, this is also wrong. So we have option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 for this question is the correct answer. So those people we have given option 2 as their answer, they are correct. Okay, let's move to the next question. It's again from the number analogy. Let's start the timer. Okay, time's up. So student, as you can see, 39 and 19, how they are related? There are some multiple. So they are multiple of what? 13. So 13 into 3 is 39 and 13 into 7 is 91. And 51 is not a multiple of 13. So let's go with the next 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, with 17, if we multiply 3, we get 51s. In similar way, if we multiply 17 with 7, what we get? 17 into 7 is what? 119. Okay, and option number 4 is there. So option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, shall we move to the next question? Okay, let's see one more question on series. Okay, time's up. A very simple one. We can do verbally also. So as you can see in this series, P, Q, R, S. Then what should come? T. So option 1 and 2 are straightway eliminated. Then what is the relation? Yes. N, O, P, Q, N, K, L, M, N, 3, H, I, J, K, E, F, G, H. Okay, so they are decrementing from the backward. So if we take -2 here for E character, what we get? B. Okay, so B, C, D, E. So answer is option 3, TBX. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Okay, very simple one. Let's move to the next question. Again, it is like odd one out. Let's begin the timer. Okay, time's up. So you need to find the odd one out. Let's start this. L, M, N, O, P. Okay, let's skip it. The pattern is like L, M, N, O, P. Okay, then let's see last one. As I told you my strategy, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, this is also following the pattern. These two are alike. Let's see this one, P, Q, R, S, T. Again, this is also following the pattern. Let's see this one, G, H, I, J, K. Here K should be there if it is following our pattern. So this option is odd man out. Okay, this option is odd man. Okay, because it is not following our series. Series is what? L, M, N, and we are skipping this O, P. Okay, so +1 and ignoring 1. Okay, So correct answer for this question is option 2. Those who have given their answer is option 2, they are correct. Let's see the next question. Let's begin the timer. A very simple one, but it can take your time. Yes, time's up. It is you have to arrange this words in order as appear in English dictionary. Okay, so you should know alphabet only, A, B, C, D, and how to order them. Okay, so we know S, all start with S. Okay, all start with E. Okay, then N, 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 O, P. Okay, so this should come at last. Okay, so option 4 should come at last, so this is straight away eliminated. Let's see next. S, S, T. Okay, again T. So these two should come before last. Okay, 3 and 5 should come before last, so we are left with option this. Okay, so you can see how we are solving this question. Okay, so you need to go with your intuition. Okay, try it, solve naturally, you can answer these question very well. Okay, so correct answer is option 4. This is from the blood relation, a very good one and very simple one. So we have only one question left after this question. Okay, so there are certain alphabet and their relationship is given. Means dollar means father, less than means wife, greater than means daughter, and at the rate means son. Okay, you need to find the relationship between S and N. Student, in this type of question you need to make a family tree. I have already made a video on blood relationship, you can check it, that video. Okay, so let's draw the family tree. H greater than R. What does this greater than means? H is daughter of R. So H is let me draw it there. Okay, so H is daughter of R. R dollar S. Dollar means what? Father. So R is what? Father of S. So he is father, so he has one more kid. Okay, R is father of S, so these two are siblings. Okay, then S at the rate T, at the rate means son, so S is son of T. Okay, S is son of T, so son means he is male, and we can find this T as a female, and these are husband wife. Okay, then T greater than N. Greater than means T is daughter of N. So T is daughter of N means this is N and daughter, as we already identify. So what is the relationship between N and S? As you can see, there is a 2 generation. So S is grandson of N. Okay, S is grandson of N, and this is the correct answer. So those students who have given their answer is option 3, they are correct. Okay, let's see the next and the last question for this series. Okay, it is from the Venn diagram. Let's see. Student, you can have 1 to 2 question on Venn diagram. Just try to answer those questions because it is very scoring topic. Okay, time's up. A very simple one. What does this question indicate? There are certain figures which they are representing. The circle represent teacher, triangle represent this triangle represent dancer, and this rectangle represent writers. Okay, you need to answer what is the number of teachers who are writers. So let's see who are the writers. The teachers who are writers are what? This portion. Okay, these are the teachers who are writer, but not dancer. So this triangle represent dancer. So this one, this indicate the teachers who are writer but not dancer. So what does this figure? 10. So option 4 is the correct answer. So for this question, option 4 is the right one. Okay, so student, we have seen 15 question on reasoning ability, and tell us how many marks did you get by writing in the comment box. And student, in the upcoming video we are going to come with general awareness. Okay, we will ask 15 questions from general awareness. Okay, so that's all, student. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Be prepared very well. Okay, thank you.